ZN15002C automatic production line with offline cubing system. ZN15002C simple automatic production line mainly consists of cement silo, batcher, mixer, automatic block machine, pallet feeder, stacker, hydraulic station, offline cuber, and control room. For block making, raw materials can be used as sand, stone powder, gravel, gang, fly ash, and construction solid waste. The batcher can be made of 4 to 6 bins according to proportion. The opening and closing of the discharging gate are driven by a pneumatic cylinder, which can realize a fast or slow batching effect during batching and weighing. Meanwhile, it can improve the precision and the speed of batching. A vibration device is adopted, which is to ensure the smoothness of materials dropping down. The skip hoist transfers the base material and face material to the mixer for mixing. Quantitative cement and water will be added as well. After passing through the humidity sensor detection, the material mixed well will be transferred by the belt conveyor to the block machine hoppers. ZN15002C block machine is characterized by larger forming area, higher quality and capacity, quick mold changing within 10 minutes with superior performance, friendly operation, safe and reliable maintenance in a lower maintenance cost. ZN15002C block machine is designed by the German company ZENITH and optimized by QGM. It's manufactured in China by using the advanced machining and assembly technologies. Dynamic servo vibration technology is adopted. With the help of rubber pad and adjustable airbag, a faster circle time is achieved. Meanwhile, less damage to the mechanical part caused by the vibration will be got, which ensures the best quality for the products. Wet product conveyor transfers the wet stone to the stacker. The stacker will automatically stack the wet stone in layers, and then the stone layers will be transferred to the curing yard by a forklift. The stacker is controlled by frequency, which guarantees an adjustable speed to effectively protect wet stones. The electrical central control system is controlled by Siemens PLC and touchscreen technology, easy to understand and with a low failure rate. The offline cubing system is a special fully automatic cubing system developed for the simple block production line, where finished blocks have to be cubed manually. Labor-intensive and efficient problems can be led to if cubing manually. Normally, this automatic cubing system is independently placed near the product cubing yard, and it can be used for on-site cubing of cured products or connected with the block production line to realize online cubing. It mainly comprises automatic block unloader, chain conveyor, block pusher, pallet collector, automatic rotary table, cuber, pallet conveyor, and other parts. Advantages and features: high versatility, suitable for machines of various specifications and sizes of pallets, without purchasing additional equipment. Suitable for a variety of conventionally arranged block types, such as blocks of various specifications and sizes, porous blocks, solid blocks, paver, etc. If there are special block types, specially customized equipment is required. The finished blocks can be automatically arranged into fixed sizes through the block pushing machine, which is convenient for cubing and can be cubed crosswise into square stacks. It can save 5 to 6 workers and reduce labor costs. Complete supporting facilities, high degree of automation, good working reliability, and high production efficiency.